The Advanced Steel extension for Revit enables you to exchange BIM data between models in Revit 2021 and Advanced Steel 2021. In Advanced Steel, you can import an SLMX file containing the description of the Revit model. The whole building is successfully imported. Structural steel elements and connections are translated into intelligent Advanced Steel objects. You can now run automatic numbering and use a ready-made template to create drawings for fabrication. As a result, you will obtain a shop drawing where all attached parts have been labeled and dimensioned automatically. If you return to your 3D model, you can make any necessary modifications, such as copying some of the floor beams. By selecting the Include Additional Connections option in the Advanced Copy command, you can copy connections when copying the steel beams. You can now send the modifications back to Revit 2021. After an export file has been created, the Revit user can select the synchronization feature to load the file and review differences between the Revit and Advanced Steel models. The different colors clearly show what has been added, modified, or deleted. You can accept those changes one by one or apply all of them in one click. The result is an updated Revit model reflecting the changes made in Advanced Steel. By connecting engineers and detailers through a seamless design and detailing workflow, firms can reduce the time required to move from design to fabrication.